Timing templates. Nmap offer total 6 different timing templates starting from 0 and goes up to 5. The first one is paranoid and it's good for your IDS evasion. Sneaky one is another one that communicates to the destination service or a port as a standard user. The both paranoid and sneaky are good for IDS evasion. The third one is polite, which slows down the scan and uses less bandwidth and target machine resources. The fourth one is normal, which default scan for all the Nmap scanning when you don't specify any template. The fifth one is aggressive, which speed ups the scan and it's really useful when target has a good bandwidth or it's on your same network. The fifth one is insane, which speed ups as similar to aggressive, however, it has some more or additional speed up feature. It sacrifices some accuracy for speed. As it works very fast, sometimes it results false positives. Let's take it further with the practical approach. I have already scanned with the different templates as shown here. It's starting from template 0. The 0 is nothing but paranoid. It took 613 seconds to scan just a single port. It might be different for your case as it depends on the network routing. The template 1 did manage to scan the single port in 43 seconds. Template 4 did the same task in just 13.19. As said earlier, template 4 and template 5 are the fastest one. However, template 5 is the much faster, but it depends on the activity or the task you are going to perform. Here, as it's just a single port, it did manage to scan the same within like similar time, which is 13.20 and 13.19 for the template 4. Let's check the same template 5 and template 4 with the default ports. Here, all the default ports are scanned in 13.27 seconds for the template 4. However, template number 5 did the same in 13.25. It's slightly less time, but still it's somewhere the same, right? There is one more faster way to scan your victim machine when you are performing on a lab environment. For example, if you are in any certain exams or CTF or anything similar, then you can go for this one. I added -p which means it will going to scan all the 65,535 ports and it did in just 17.72 seconds. The argument is nothing but minimum rate, which tells Nmap that at least 10,000 packets to be sent minimum within a second. That is all for this session.